I'm Daniel.
And I am Leonardo.
In this video, we are going to teach you how to use a speaker,
Temperature sensor,
laser LED,
and infrared receiver.
Okay, first, tap Add and select Arduino Uno. Then tap OK. After that, go to Event and drag the when Arduino Uno starts up. Go to Pin and select Play Pin with Note. Check another one. You can change the bit 1, 2, and the note as well. And then press the connect and connect to the Maker Uno and upload. Okay, first, goes to Event, drag when Arduino Uno starts up. After that, go to Control, drag forever, and then go for Extension Center. Select the first one, Upload Mode Broadcast. Select the second one, Send Upload Mode Message, and drag it to inside the forever. Go to Pin and then go to Read Analog Pin A. Go to Sprite, go to Event and drag the when click. Go to Control, select forever, and go to New Variable, make a new one, A for analog, V for voltage, and also T for temperature. Height V, drag set A to 0 3 times and change it according AVT. Goes to extension and find upload mode broadcast. Press Add and select the fourth one. Go to operator, drag the multiply and also the divide one. Go to the variable that you just made and select A and V. Set voltage to analog times 5 over 1023. Then the third one, the set temperature to voltage multiply 100. Goes back to device and connect it to the Maker Uno and upload. First thing is, switch the mode into live and go to event, select when click and go to control, select forever, make new variable which is signal. Set signal to 0 and then go to pin, read digital pin and change it 8.
So that's all from us. I hope you learned something new from this video. Bye!